Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my previous video I have already shown you how you can detect the large bone present in chicken breast or not to prevent hazard, right? So same kind of concept we can use to get the maximum size binary large object present in our binary image. Okay, so let me just show you my binary image which I have taken for this particular experiment. Suppose I am having this particular binary image. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 binary objects are present. Now you can clearly understand that this is the largest binary object in our this particular binary image, having maximum number of pixels. Now suppose I am telling you, give me only this particular binary object, that is remove all rest smaller object, or in the other way also we can say, give me whole binary image apart from the largest binary object. Okay, that is apart from this one, give me all. So anything can be asked in examination. So this particular problem, how you can solve, that I am going to discuss. Same concept, what we will do, first we will apply binary labeling. Okay, so A will be my labeled image, the first output argument, and second output argument will be total number of binary objects present in our image, which are basically connected. Now we will traverse in A and count for each label how many pixels are there, and for a particular label obviously maximum number of pixels will be present, and for that label for which maximum number of pixels are present, that is basically the largest binary object present in our image, right? Same concept like we have used in the case study of our chicken breast. Okay, so here first I am taking the labeling, and then I am making one empty array, b equal to empty array, for storing pixel for each label. Okay, temp equal to 0, count, this will basically have a count of each count of pixel for each level, gk equal to 1, so our label will start from 1, and fg equal to size of a, this we are taking for traversing purpose. Then for I equal to 1 colon bc, okay, this is nothing but we will traverse all the labels. Okay, maybe level up to 5, level up to 6, does not matter. BC will give us total number of different levels, so I will traverse for all, and for each level we will traverse the whole matrix every time. So for wk equal to 1 colon f, for tk equal to 1 colon g, if a of, that is our labeled image we are considering, wk comma tk equal to gk, temp equal to temp plus 1, that is temp will be basically having the count for each particular level how many pixels are present, and then that count value we are storing in our b array, which we have defined as empty array here, and then again for next iteration we are making temp equal to 0, and then for next level we are going to next level, so gk equal to gk plus 1. So as a result, after traversing this all for loops, what will happen in the b variable, for each level number of pixels will be stored. And what I will do, I will basically find the maximum, okay, for which level maximum number of pixels are coming, and we are not at all interested in the count value of that is the number of pixels present for that particular level. We are interested in which level that is present, so we are taking the index also, m comma n. M will give us maximum value, n will give us at which level or at which position the maximum value is appearing. That is our maximum there is biggest size object level, right? And then output matrix we are taking as empty for storing the output purpose, and then we are traversing again in our whole image, and we will check whether our in our labeled binary image whether that particular label is equal to the label corresponding to the maximum number of pixels present or not. If that condition satisfied, output equal to 1, else output equal to 0. As a result, after application of this for loop, what we will get? We will be getting only that binary object which is having largest size or largest number of pixels. Okay, and that we are showing using IMShowPair X output montage. Okay, so if I run this particular part of the code, whole code, I will be getting first our original image, and as here we have applied pause. See, pause we have applied, right? So until and unless we press any key from the keyboard, the execution will not go further. So let me just press any key and see how beautifully we are getting the largest binary object at the output. Suppose you want to get all the binary object apart from the largest binary object. So what you can do, you can just change the condition bit. If a of ij equal to n, if that means if the level is corresponding to maximum object level, then we will make that also 0. Then else if for all other levels I comma j equal to, or we can write greater than equal to 1, for all other levels output equal to 1. Okay, and for background, that is which is already 0, for that obviously we will be putting 0, right? So just simple modification you can do and you can get beautiful result. Okay, so this is our original image. Now if I want to get whole image apart from the largest binary object, so we will be getting this particular part, we will be not getting this object. Okay, suppose I am clicking enter and see I am getting the output. This is our output where the largest binary object is not present. Okay, now we can take our, instead of this one, we can take one text image which is present in our MATLAB database itself and already in binary format. Okay, text dot png. All right, now if I run this particular part of the code, see I will be getting this particular text. Can you tell me which is the largest object? See, no doubt the largest object is this f, because in the different this particular word these two f are connected and as a result they are making the largest connected binary object, and you can check all other of smaller number of pixels. So if you hit enter, see how beautifully only that largest one is removed. See, this f is removed, rest all are same as it is. So using this particular simple binary labeling, we can erase the largest binary object and we can take only the largest binary object and remove all other. Okay, so like this you can play with concept of image processing in text or practical image text, image from internet, convert that to binary, play with that and have fun. Okay, this is all for my this video. Thank you for watching.